Good morning, everybody. Happy freaking Wednesday. Can't believe we're already 70 subscribers to 5.1K now on the Lab Live. But good morning, everybody. Hope we're doing absolutely fantastic. Just gonna post the notifications here live now on the Lab. How are we all doing today? Happy Wednesday. Decent day of Tuesday here. How do you do? What's up, JC, Adam, Easy, Matt, Justin, Chris, Cyber? How's it going, folks? Hope we're doing absolutely splendid today. Forming a micro C2 here on the 1 minute. Nothing too much right now. Honestly, there's really not too much right now. Just kind of watching to see how price here is going to play out. Likely going to honestly see for higher prices here on NQ is what it looks like. By the looks of it here, we have this continuation sequence kind of forming here. So likely to see price retap into that and see a slight send higher. It's kind of the anticipation for me. But good morning, folks. How are we doing, everybody? Just let's hear the general verdict. Leo? What's up, Andy? How we doing? How's the brother Andy doing today? We hanging in there? How'd you do, me? What's up, yo? What's up, Adam? Yeah, we're just kind of watching right now. There's not too much. I'm gonna let a few minutes as per usual for some people to roll in. Can't lie, we slammed some beautiful London session longs today on the 3 minute time frame here on NQ. Saw a nice sweep. Oh, wait. I was like, that's not the trade I took today. What we ended up seeing today was a beautiful sweep of the 2 a.m. lows. 2 a.m. swept the 1 a.m. lows. Saw a nice big imbalance that formed. All I did was I just took a continuation sequence higher. Even though we did not get the closure above, by the way, since we closed right below, we had rejected perfectly off of the EQ of the 2 to 215 EQ here. So I ended up actually just snagging the trade regardless, even though we didn't get the closure. MNQ actually did confirm the 3 minute closure a little cleaner here at the same window, but I was very happy about how this trade played out. In general, saw some really good buy side here and decided to capitalize on it. So secured me most here at 1.5R and took the runners there to 2.54R, which was beautiful to say the least. So now we're just kind of hanging out here, wanting to see kind of what price has in store for us today. And we're here to trade live with you guys, the usual. So, good morning, everybody. Panos, Raymond, what's up? Good. Awesome. What's good, Lo? What's up, Bothridge? How we doing? So as of right now, honestly, just kind of anticipating slightly higher prices with NQ. 522 yields a nice stop zone as well. There's really not too much here. We're just gonna kind of play with fire, see what happens. But I'm not in on anything right now. Good morning, Olivia. How's it going? So, yeah, we'll see. As of right now, I really don't have anything for you guys in terms of trading for 8 o'clock. Recently, it's really been the type of market where I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see what new sessions are going to do. Well, looks like we're just forming kind of the C2 here. So I'm honestly looking to just be hands off. Yeah, 15-minute very wiki right now. Hence why I'm very keen on waiting for a better session like New York Open here to give us more incentive. But I'm going to ask you guys before I give the analysis, what's your guys' bias today? I want to know before I give my rundown, what's your guys' bias? During London session, do you prefer minute 30, minute 3, or minute whatever gives me the cleaner picture, Adam? I get that question all the time. Whatever asset is giving me the cleanest picture is the asset that I want to trade. Also, I'm curious to see how these 1.5 Rs are going to play out. They don't look too shabby here. Took the 5 minute continuation C3 in London at 345 to Asia high. Very nice, Raymond. That was a great trade. Higher prices would be nice to see us accumulating right now. Buy limit at 500, hoping to get tagged in on the distribute higher. Very nice. Bearish, our bias is the same as yours. Now I want to hear it. I want to hear what you guys have. Let's hear it. I'm game for it. Let's hear what you guys have bias wise. While I finish up my crisps here, I want to hear what you guys have in mind. What do you guys have in store for today for market? That being said, pay attention to higher time frame context. Wink, wink. I see some bearish sentiment. I see some bullish sentiment and bearish sentiment. Okay. Couple conflicting. Mm-hmm. Okay. So kind of on par with you guys here. What have we left right now on this higher time frame? We have a lot of unfilled gaps to the highs after sweeping a previous weekly low. For myself, I can't lie. It wouldn't be bad to see lower to like Thursday around 29,250s, but I think we first need to fill some unfilled gaps at the highs first. So for me personally, I'm looking for potential highs, buy a higher to potentially sell lower for today. 4 hour profile looks relatively bullish. We formed a sweep of the 2 a.m. swept out yesterday's low actually and previous daily low and formed a nice kind of continuation, quite expansive though. So I'm expecting retracing to the EQ, expansion higher into a potential unfilled 4 hour gap, which sits at around 29.8. Do I think it's feasible to reach that today? We'll have to see what market has in store, but I would not put it past market if New York Open completely invalidates bias for today though, because we're at a weird spot. We swept the previous weekly low. We've got clear draws at the lows here. Still lots of massive unfilled 4 hour gap, massive unfilled 6 a.m. Thursday, August 6th low. There's a lot of liquidity that needs to be grabbed, but we also left after a very aggressive bear run, all these unfilled gaps on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, etc. So for me, although I'd like to see us head higher, I think it's going to be really the New York Open game here. We're a weekly POC chop chop right now, 100%. But also think that a tweet will set the daily bias. Yeah, right? So it's one of these things that we want to be a little more careful for, right? I don't want to rush into an entry. I don't want to force myself into a trade because invalidations, especially with how wiki this 15 minute is right now, we could just see it completely just disintegrate any potential bias we have if New York Open. Like yesterday, I was really keen on looking for shorts, and then those longs played in at the Open, and then I got tagged into shorts, and I managed to somehow take those shorts all the way up into a previous weekly low. Also, can we talk about the fat guys? Those shorts printed yesterday, by the way. Those shorts absolutely printed. Those hourly ones. Who was here? Type of one in chat. Who was here on the stream when I was calling out that position yesterday? Don't be shy. Who was here when I called out that position yesterday on the stream? Type of one. Give me some sign of life. What's up, Christy Evans? Guys, we scored 200 points on that short, by the way. I told you guys there will be signs. I told you guys there. I need the lab to clip that, by the way, because that was like that was probably one of the best trades I've taken on stream with you guys. I literally on stream I was like, guys, there will be signs. Like I was like, there will be signs in terms of like market is gonna freaking move. What happened? Surprise, surprise. Market absolutely sent it higher. So just saying. You heard it here first, guys, but I was saying it multiple times that there will be signs, and the signs were met. So I just had to say it. That was all. I had to just ego check myself there for a sec, but guys, it was a pretty solid trade nonetheless. So no complaints. Got some 1.5 hour continuations on C4 here playing out. We'll likely see this expand higher as well and validate the C2. That was beautiful. I came in late for that short. All good. I'm also up for long short term, but I do not like the 1 hour. Yeah, Dominic, I don't blame you. Definitely precision type daily. Yeah. Precision, precision, precision. That's going to be the verdict for today. See how we play it out, baby. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Hour one looks good. Gold. Yeah, gold doesn't look too shabby. Like if we look at the hourly profile though, it's like we could see gold with lower prices here. But I'm also like we swept an hourly high, then the next hour swept the hourly low. So it's a little bit more of a chop fest than I'd like, to be honest with you. It's not my least favorite, but yesterday was probably my best ever. Stream helped a lot. Hell yeah, Panos. Did you take those shorts, Panos? My fucking guy. What did you take yesterday, boss? I had some of you in chat, by the way, text me yesterday and say like, dude, I had three of you secure a payout, and you guys messaged me about it, which was fuego to see. Because dog, I'm transparent. Every loss, every win is on stream, right? Yes, sir. Hell yeah, Panos. Would you score on those shorts? Don't be shy. Let me know. Don't be shy. Let me know. Let me the freak know, bro. Let me know. Also, those 1.5 Rs are pretty fire, dude. These 1.5s are nice. Strength, dude, it's the classic. Strength switch SMT here. C2. Now we're forming a C2, a C4 continuation. C4 just opened up, lower probability since we want it to form the wick of C4, but not too shabby. Do you trade C4? I do, but less often. Yeah, to be honest, a lot less often than you would think. Not super keen on it. Oh, I think we're gonna just see this continue to expand away here. C4 looks like it's just gonna distribute off the C3's range. Give me half a second here. We'll get the authentication code as per usual. Hey guys, London session was super clean this morning as well. Scored that fantastic long signature. Like I can't lie, even though I had a tougher Monday, I feel like I've been so in tune with market over the past few weeks. Like, I think most of you that have seen these streams can attest. I'm so in tune right now. Could you explain what time frames you consider when implementing the fractal? 1 minute, 15 minute, 3 minute, 30 minute. Those are my two primaries. And then sometimes, like if an hourly continuation or 15-minute continuation forms, I'll score those. But most of my trades are taken on the 1 minute and 3 minute time frames. The thing is, people, I get this question 1,000 times, and I love it, right? But just to be so honest with you guys, it's not choosing sticking to one time frame isn't going to do anything for you. The best way to get involved, also there goes the 1.5 R. Wow. 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 Nice. Lowe's plugged in, dude. Yeah, easy reads, eh? Um, they're like right now I'm just trading on the personal. I'm not even trading on funded. So I was actually also not taking the funded, but taking on the personal. Used to have a 2-degree indicator sub ran out. That shit's so expensive. Yeah, but it's like, dude, you're paying for some sauce though, I can't lie. Just gotta say it, man. You're paying for some sauce. Yeah, 3 minutes also there. When it comes to selecting a time frame, find the time frame with the cleanest picture. There's really not much else to it. Find a time frame with a clean picture, trade that time frame. Like a lot of you are overestimating it because you're just like, oh well, this happened and it's I don't know. Well, 1 minute, everybody trades the 1 minute. I see all these tweets of people trading the 1 minute dog. If the 3 minute looks cleaner than the 1 minute, don't trade the 1 minute. What are you doing? Also, the 1.5 hour sometimes has helped me so much. I used to have trouble passing evals, and now it's so much easier. Also, very good for bases. Thank you, brother. Panos. This is the way, bro. I will change your life. I will literally change your life, dog. It'll change your life, Panos. 5 second looking clean. Oh, hell no. Get out the chat, bro. Get out the chat. Hell no. That 5 second bullshit. Hell no. I'm messing with you, dude. If it works for you, dog, it works for you. That 5 second for me, though. Oh, hell no, man. You ain't ever gonna see me trading that, man. Fill him with the venom and eliminate him. Otherwise, I'm in the made him. I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit rage and murder, nigga. Nobody will evade him. That small little long there, maybe $223.24. Love's the best. Love you, Auntie. 7 hour looking ominous. Oh God, bro. Now you're making me hop on a 7 hour. Oh, I can't. Woo. Hold up. Hold up. Who said that? Yeah, Sean. Fuck yeah, Sean. Yeah, Sean. My fucking boy. Yup. Uh-huh. That 7 hour looking ominous. That 7 hour looking like it's ready to eat into that 7 hour and 6 hour gap. You feel me? Look at this. Oh my Lord. Bias flipped longs to that 7 hour gap. No fucking kizzy. Jesus, bro. Sign me up. You're hired, Sean. Sean, you're fucking hired, bro. Get in there, dog. You're hired. I didn't even bother to check the 7 hour. I haven't checked in a week, dude. My fucking goat. 7 hour sweep of a previous 7 hour low into a reversal sequence. A bit indecisive, so this could really play both sides here. But I could see us tracing back into that 7 hour gap, sweeping out the high. Sean, you're hired, bro. You're hired, dog. Give me your contact info. I want to be hired, Jack Day Trades. Send me your resume, bro. I'll hire you. I'm kidding. I'm not the boss, man. I can't hire guys in the lab. I'll hire you to you'll be my sub analyst, bro. Send me your resume, bro. I'm very cheap. Yeah, honestly, just gotta wait this one out though, guys. We got 8:30 open in 7 minutes. We might even frame another continuation here on the C4, which would be kind of nuts. Just another secondary expansion. We're not far off though. Like realistically, right now, we are what? We are about 40, yeah, about 47 points away from that, which isn't too shabby. My resume looking shit one day, bro. One day, hell yeah. I'm professional 7 hour profiler. Yeah, could you imagine? I just hire somebody for every time frame and they just text me. They go, yo, dude, 7 hour looks good. Yo, dude, one minute looks good. And I don't have to ever think about a time frame. I just hire some motherfucker to do it for me. How electric would that be, guys? Your love is what I can't do. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Mm, 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 mm. Alrighty. We're dialed. Guys, we might get a C4 continuation here forming now as well. Jeez Louise, man. Can't make it up. All right, let's see what chat's saying. Sorry, guys. I'm professional at the quants, dude. Yeah, right. I got you, but one day I'll do all your time frames trust free of charge. Legend, bro. Yeah, just hit my line. Be like, yo, dog, 7 hour looks good. Boom. Take the trade. 10% profits your way. Could you imagine? Also, guys, make sure you guys are liking, subscribing to the stream if you haven't already. I want to get this stream popping. I want to get this stream popping, man. Holy cow. Okay, okay, Nasdaq. Somebody's talking. We don't have Tuesday news. We actually do have 8:30 news. That would be why we have building permits. 5 minutes and we have building permits and housing starts. It's really not going to move the market too much, but whatever, you know? Apparently it is. Like dog, what is that though? Potential bearish C2. What is this pre 8:30? We're 4 minutes out, bro. Don't be giving me my news sweep. We're 4 minutes out, dog. Calm down. 2 p.m. FOMC. Yeah, FOMC minutes means jack though. Like it's literally useless. Your love is what I count to. Bum 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 ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum bum bum. Okay. Shout out Nasdaq for this. What is this about, bro? Jesus Christ, man. Okay. Okay, C4 slay, C4. Look at this. What is this pre-news pump though, man? Dude, what in tarnation? Ridiculous, motherfucker. Ridiculous stuff, man. Can't make it up, bro. That shit crazy. What's your Discord on PSV? I'm tag you in my post. 1 second, dog. I got you. Wait. 1 second. 1 second. It should just be Leo. It should just be Leo. Just try for Leo. That should work, boss. There's no 8:30 news, is there? Yeah, there is. There's apparently high impact at 8:30. Like building permits and housing starts. That's barely gonna move the market, especially actual. How'd we get the news already? I'm so confused. I guess not. What the fuck? Oh, it's Wednesday today. I'm tripping, dude. I'm tripping. Oh my God, I thought it was Tuesday today. I was like, what? Oh my God. Yeah, we have no news today. Sorry, guys. Then what was this about? That makes it even worse. What was that move for then? Dude, I'm so stupid, chat. Oh my God. Bro, I just like with all this fucking Iran stuff, man, I just gave up on checking news anymore. Dude, I thought it was Tuesday today, chat. Holy cow. Chat, do I need to retire? Do I need to retire? Holy cow, it was buns, dude. Your boy does not have it in him. I repeat, your boy does not have that dog in him no more. I was curious. I was like, I feel like I'm missing something here. I'm like, why does it say actual? The news is in technically 2 minutes. Fucking, because I'm just stupid, apparently. MES had done SMT then like Q. Would you still be taking this long this morning? Yes. It's Thursday tomorrow as well. Hey, thank you, Sean. Appreciate you, bro. NASDAQ, 1 hour bias for the NASDAQ. Higher. Why? 1 hour gaps unfilled. If we retrace, if we can inverse this hourly gap pre 9 o'clock open, I'm likely to look for a temporary retrace into a long signature. If you reject off this hourly, I'm scouting for these Wednesday lows, dude. I'm scouting for LOD. That's it. But longs in the hourly gap, see if that hourly gap holds. If not, well, fuck, I got it, Giovanni, you know? Fuck, I got it, Giovanni. A30 open, showcasing some aggression here to the downside, tagging into a non-existent. If you stayed around here, you could just rip the open. Yeah, honestly, it's Thursday tomorrow. Yeah. I think I'm gonna start investing those 50Ks, Jack, bro. I honestly think the 50K, which 50Ks are you talking about though? There's so many different types of 50Ks. Which ones are you talking about, balls? Big owls. Uh, End of the C4 window now, which means likely an invalidation of these continuations here. AK definitely an invalidation of the continuations inbound here. Your love is what I come from. Yep. Invalidation of the continuations. Too close to the 830 open here. Rejecting off the hourly gap as well. Could see some sell side on that if that holds. Potential bear C2. We didn't see a sweep though. I don't like that. But if there's an SMT still present, you know? Yeah, there's a C2 and a PSP, but the 830 here did nothing. However, comma, I am not opposed to the idea, chat. Potential bear C2 if that plays out here. The thing is, ES also sweeping out. Yeah, we got some divergences as well. It's gonna be very interesting to see how this plays out, chat. Or any but Lucid TH flex TVT always flex Apex Apex is fine, dude. I mean, like I haven't traded Apex in a while. Honestly, Lucid TPT with the 50% off, low key kind of a crazy deal. Gotta be honest with you. Like if you're looking for a cheap account with daily payout potential, etc., don't think you can go wrong there, boss. Boss. Like TPT is kind of electric for that. Like, what is this market, bro? Hell no, look at that. Look at this, dude. What the fuck is that? Like, where is this coming from? You have this crazy buy side that just steps in out of nowhere like a fucking erection. Bruh, what the hell? Look at this. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, Dick. Look at this, chat. Where does this come from, dude? Like, there's no reason to be having a pop like this. Like, nobody over the hourly gap and whatever else. Like, it's just like diabolical. Just this. John makes no sense. Trump tweet. I'm assuming that was a Trump tweet. To have movement like that, 100% has to be a Trump tweet. I feel like I'd be shocked if it wasn't, you know? Like, we just saw an immediate influx of buyers step in out of nowhere. Now we're just reaching my intended draw within 15 seconds, you know? A bit nuts if you ask me, bro. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, bro. Yeah, I couldn't tell you guys. I have no idea, man. Look at this. What is this? It's an immediate bicep. Was that a Trump tweet? Can somebody check that for me? U.S. Treasury increasing size of liquidity support buyback operation for longer dated nominal coupon security statement. I'm in at 544. What's your entry model, Easy? What was your entry model to get in at 544? Did you get in on continuations? Pretty clean on 15 minute 7 hour fractal. Yeah. 15 minutes 7 hour fractal. Interesting. Can't say I'm too keen on 15 minute 7 hour attachment, but respect, bro. Hi, what's up, MVP? How's it going, dog? What's up, brother? Yeah, I was a bit nuts though, eh? Just an immediate buy side influx there. That was nuts. Gave no chance for anything. It just decided to crank the wheel. Your love is what I come from. Limit set seal above 6 hour closing to be very nice. This is nice, dude. If this flips, that's gonna be such a good continuation forming here. I mean, the thing is, it's outside of candle framework, but like, yeesh. Yeah, guys, I'm waiting till 9 o'clock though. I mean, we've got this humongous 7 hour gap. We're now inside of the 7 hour gap, by the way. We're now inside of the 7 hour gap. So there's some potential here. This gets closure here though. The thing is, it's a bit radical, right? For a micro continuation here, if that were to play, I mean, you're literally slamming a 40-point stop on something that's lower prob. I would rather have taken ES here on the closure on the 1 minute for a long signature because the rest would be kind of sketch, no? Wow. I mean, decent buy side here though. Right into that 7 hour gap, like nobody's business. Quite impressive, if you ask me. Wow. Look at this. I mean, that's a crazy move on NQ. I mean, not crazy, but it's nearly 100-point move on NQ in like what, 5 minutes for no reason. Like genuinely, that's kind of nuts, chat. What's up, Slowed? How we doing? Minute three, C4 continuation of breaker. Well, it was. Yeah. I mean, the minute, yeah, this would make sense. The 830 here, 100%. Like the 830 closure, that could have been a continuation of the C4, but this is kind of nuts. Like, where's this volatility stepping in from, you know? Like it's an immediate, not a single bearish candle here on ES since the 832. Like this amount of influx is crazy. 100 good point from Bull Unicorn 5 entry and 8 a.m. open. Yeah, news, but what like that news, I don't know, just doesn't seem, and gold as well. Like what off the 8 o'clock, probably the 8:30. Look at this, look at gold, dude. Gold is up 40 points. 40 points since the freaking 8:30 open. 8:31, dude. It's just up 40 points. Make it make sense. 41 points on gold since the open. I mean, GG's, dude. Yeah, I know. U.S. Treasuries. I didn't expect this to happen. And now I wanted the Open to go. Yeah, see now because now this just gives me lower probability for the New York Open. Sorry, not sorry, you know. Open is now cooked. Easy bread and butter setup. Yeah, right. Love your content on IG. Love, keep it up, bro. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you, dog. I really appreciate the kind words on that. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, guys, I wanted the Open to pop. I told you guys my draw that I mean, once I saw that 7 hour gap, shout out my boy Sean. I wanted to see that draw into the Open, but we've now met that draw, right? So I'm just sitting back here now. I've got nothing else to do. Your love is what I'll count to. One second, guys. I'm logging into my personal brokerage on my phone. I have to do biometric scanning, bro. Holy cow. All right, live account. Bang, bang, baby. Guys, it's payday. It's payday on the live, baby. I'm here all week. Hell yeah, Sean. We may as well close up shop today, friends. Yeah, Shannon, because the one thing I can't see though, right? We have the 7 hour gap, but we have to think about this logistically, right? So it's taken a really big move already that I wanted to see. However, what can I see now? If 9:30 invalidates this expansion, I'm fading the rest of the day. I'm likely not going to trade. However, if 9 a.m. retraces and we close the 9 a.m. 4 hour candle here or the 10 a.m., right, and open up the 10 and 4 hour with an expansion, this will framework really good candle 3 EQ continuations. Because if we can now validate an expansion, even if 9:30 goes back down in the range down to 5:30s or whatever, this is giving me a little more wiggle room that if 9:30 open low high close, we could see 10 o'clock open low into the EQ, high close for a continuation sequence on the 4 hour. So it might be cooked for the open here on 9:30. So likely we'll see if I take a trade off the open here. If we see a decent retrace and I see a buy side for potential higher prices, it's not bad. So even though it seems kind of cooked here, I hope you guys are catching my drift here. If 9:30 validates this closure here, because that's a C2, sweep of previous daily low and daily low, SMT with ES, right? SMT with ES and YM here. This could validate a really good continuation sequence. All right. You guys catch my drift here. I know gold is just bone ring, dude. Like, what am I supposed to say? Gold is just, sending it to sign and disclose. One second, guys. Your love is what I count to. I'm on the Ninja Trader app now, dude. Wow, it's quite interesting. I can't lie. Don't know if I fuck with it. My first time trying the Ninja Trader app, I just had somebody asking me about it. You picking up what I'm putting down? Picking? Fuck, I'm dyslexic, bro. You're good. I got you, Jack. You guys are so funny, bro. Genuinely hella funny. Yeah, GC here, Foreman. I mean, that continuation is there. I just don't. I mean, we expanded 40 points. I'm not taking a continuation off 40-point expansion. But do you guys understand what I'm saying, though? Like 930 could be bearish here. I don't care if 930 is bearish. What I care about is this 4-hour closure. If this 4-hour closes bullish, I could watch for a retrace into the EQ, validate the EQ for an expansion higher off 10 o'clock. Tell me you're catching my drift though, chat, because I think there's something to be made with this. I think there's some sauce. Did you take any trade today? I did. I took full send it open, short at 30K. Jesus. Not what I said. Yeah, I took 3-minute London session longs for 70 points. 76 points. Beautiful sweep. Beautiful sweep of previous daily low, Tuesday lows, right? Wednesday swept out Tuesday lows, validation of the C2. Don't trade the manipulation, trade the continuation. We didn't get a closure here. We barely got this closure here, right? If I just show you guys this, watch, right? What happens? We didn't get the closure on NQ, but looky look, who did? ES did, right? ES got that closure, and also if I were to whip this baby out here, right? Let me show you this. What do we see, guys? MNQ got the closure, even though NQ did not. MNQ did. So I took MNQ longs here into the 1.5R, took some partials out, rest out. I think that trade made me 640 bucks, something like that. So pretty solid. I posted my trade in hashtag trades. I tagged you. Let me check it out. Could you explain that again? Our time frame profiling, boss. If 930, because right now we've already kind of expanded a lot more than I was hoping for pre-open, right? So now this makes me a little shakier to want to get involved in potential longs into the 7-hour gap off the open. So instead, watch for the 4-hour to close, aka 10 o'clock open is the new 4-hour open. If we validate this expansion, right, following 10 o'clock, like we see this expansion, retrace, continuation sequence higher. That's it. That's all. That's all the sauce you need. I'm done. That's it. Whoa. How do I remove a volume indicator here on this? This is stupid, dude. Dude, why I don't want this volume though on NQ, bro. What is this? Does that make sense though, guys? You guys catch my drift here? Why are we still running? Yeah, dude, we're actually running. Look at this, bro. Hence why I said no involvement for me right now. This, hell no. You're not catching me in this involvement right now, dude. Mm-mm. Absolutely hell to the no, man. One second, I'm just logging in. So, yo, I can't lie, guys. I'm trying with a micro right now on NQ Longs to try out the app. I'm up $7.50, $12.50. I'm trying this out because I wanted to see. I can't lie though. Guys, the NinjaTrader app is super responsive. I was not expecting this. I thought it was going to be kind of shit. I think it's less laggy than Tradeovate. It's like it's giving me every tick value right now. All right, I'm down $8. No, actually, I'm down $1. I'm just trying this out. It is so smooth because I don't mobile trade, but I've been traveling a lot recently. So if I want to check on positions that I enter on my laptop, I hate TradingView because that shit lags all the time. It pisses me off. But like, I gotta give it to NinjaTrader here, guys. This platform is not laggy at all. I'm about to close this out for 15 bucks. I just made 15 bucks as a joke. Guys, I can't lie. This is fresh. This is fresh. Yeah, guys, I just made a whopping 15 bucks off that trade. Dude, that was super responsive, bro. I'm amped. Ninja Trader, you guys are doing some good shit. Guys, Ninja Trader, I just want to try it out. TradingView so bad. Guys, look at how non-freezing this app is. I don't know if you guys can see this. Wait. Look at the tick value right there. I'm on micros right now. I just took one micros a joke for 15, about 13 bucks. Look at how responsive that is. I feel like I'm trading footprint with that. You see that? Also, don't mind the crack on my phone. I did crack it, all right? But look at how responsive that is. That's what a trading platform should look like. Look at that. I can see every micro tick happening, guys. That's insane. Did Anthony Crudell contact? No, he did not. I met him. He's a chill ass motherfucker, but no, he didn't con. This is not promo for Ninja Trader. I'm just I was using Top Step brokerage for a bit, guys. For those of you that know, it's not a crack on your phone. It's EMA 20. Yeah, right. Well, I do have a crack on my phone as well, but no, it's actually it sounds like promo. That you guys are right. It does sound like promo right now. Much better than Tradevate Mobile. Why is it so trash, dude? Like Shannon, I don't know if you're seeing. You guys aren't seeing this though. Look at how responsive that is. And then look, buy, sell, close, and I can also join ask, join bid, revert a position all easily. Candlesticks, I can change them. Also, I mean, I can add indicators as well directly on the app easily. I can also change it to open, high, low, close, volume profile, or closing prices. And then I have the super depth of market as well. Like, look, super DOM as well. And it's so much easier to do. It's so clean, chat. Genuinely, this is so clean. I'm not even trying to just Top Step brokerage. Here's the reason, guys. I use Top Step brokerage. I decided I hate it. I thought I really liked it, and I made money on it, right? I'm happy about it, whatever. I'm not happy about Top Step brokerage anymore. And the reason is because they change their margins all the time. They change their margins all the time. I was trying to take a 15 micro position on my personal, right? And it's not that it would be, and 15 micro on NQ, that's 1,500 bucks, right? And that's fine, but then we had CPI and they raised it. Pre-CPI was in a position and they increased the margin to $300 per mini. They just fuck around and they change the margin. And I'm like, why are we changing the margin here? I mean, I don't understand what the reason for changing the margin is, you know? Like it didn't make sense to me, but apparently they had a reason for it because they're like too many people are fucking gambling CPI, whatever. I'm like, I just thought it was I thought it was just kind of annoying. But anyways, yeah. So I know this sounds like promo for Anthony Crudelli, but dude, I'm just honest. Like their platform is so responsive. Like I can hold down, I can set a limit in, and I'm good. Like I'm messing around here. I'm gonna play around with a micro right now while we wait for the open. But you don't like here's the thing. For fundeds, for prop firms, I totally can agree with increasing margin requirements because prop firm people are brain dead, right? A lot of them are brain dead and are gonna just gamble CPI like no lives, right? So I can understand where they come from there. But a personal brokerage account, yeah, we are pushing, by the way, chat. But a personal brokerage account, I'm putting my own money to get access to my capital, and you're telling me that I can't after you're changing margin requirements. And one mini, by the way, went from $1,000 margin to $3,000 of margin. I just don't think that's necessary. It's just not necessary when you're trading personal. Maybe that's a hot take, guys. I just think it's kind of stupid to be changing. I don't know, changing margin requirements upon big news. Like I understand it for fundeds and props again, but just not personal capital. I'm trusting a brokerage to let me trade my capital with the margin requirements they guaranteed upon me signing the disclosure agreement. And yes, because I'm in the process where I'm at a phase where I'm trying to size in with a lot more capital. So I want a platform that's going to allow me to have that accessibility to trade fucking size, you know? Anyways, guys. This is clean though, dude. I'm having fun with this. I just made another 15 bucks just messing around with this. Oh, and they're also doing they're gonna start doing, oh, this is super sick. You can trade Apple futures. Hell no. Hell no. How do I show you guys, like, how do I show my working? How do I show my filled orders? I bought, wait, I bought one at 739 and sold one at 746. Yeah. I'm just trying to see how I can scout my My total P&L for the day now is $784.94. Okay. Sorry guys, I know this isn't super educational. I'm trying to gauge a bit here. I'm with trading. Thanks. Appreciate your take. Yeah, Don, it's just, I don't know, beautiful AMD between sessions on higher time frame. Yeah, that I will agree with. Super nice. Gold here consolidating a bit. We've got 9 o'clock open in 8 minutes. I'm just no trades from me right now, guys. That's just my honest take. We got a nice fair value forming here. We'll see if we grab another continuation off that, which I honestly think we're just going to continue to send higher here. Like market just looks so volatile. But dude, it's so responsive. Like this shit makes me want to trade on my phone, bro. It actually makes me want to trade on my phone. I'm trying to, yeah. Can I add, do you have the T-Trades fractal model, bro? TTFM? Fuck, they don't. Wait, you can do a custom indicator? Yo! Oh, you can do custom indicators. Wait, why is that so tough? Dude, are you t so if I code a custom indicator on GitHub, I can upload it I can upload it to NinjaTrader. Bro, I gotta contact my boy Crudeli, dog. This guy's on some good shit. I want whatever he's taking. Oh, I like this. Yeah, we just exploded away from VWAP as well here. Dude, this is nuts. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. This is super cool. All right, so I'll get back to the charts momentarily here. I just wanted a moment to kind of enjoy this since I'm not, yeah, I don't want volume. How do I remove it though? Remove from chart. Oh, nice. It just light work, dude. Like nobody's business. All right, we're back on. Sorry, guys. We're back to charts. No continuations forming here. 9 o'clock open in 6 minutes. We've already had a big run on the hourly here. Massive, massive run on the hourly. Massive run on the 4 hour. So here's what I want, guys. This is what I want. Hear me out, guys. I'm gonna say this one time. 9:30 open, right? We've formed a humongous range now. Okay. If I just look at this range, right? If I just take a high and a low of this range, 250 points, nearly a percent on NQ in under 4 hours, right? And to be honest, in under like 2 hours. That being said, 9:30 open can do two things. One, it could immediately and aggressively pop up into a relevant high or into a relevant draw, which is this massive 4 hour gap that we have here, right? We could trace into this 4 hour gap, which will honestly, great, right? Following this, I honestly think if we see an aggressive move higher, I'm going to clearly watch 10 o'clock with a deep retrace into EQ. If you respect the premium or the 50% marker, 50% range of the previous 4 hour candle, I'm going to look to take continuation longs higher. However, if 9:30 closes indecisive, I think it's a no trade profile for me personally. I do not want to get involved. I do not, under any circumstance, want to get involved if we close non-aggressive or indecisive on the hourly or the 4 hour. That's not going to give me any anything really. So that's all, guys. Just thought I would let you know. That's the current outlook for me today, guys. I'm tweeting it. I'm texting Anthony right now, guys. I'm giving him some respect. You guys understand what I'm saying though? Kind of my outlook here, folks. You guys understand the general verdict here for what I can anticipate for today? Type a one in chat if you guys kind of understand where I'm coming from. 1.5. Okay, possible entry for me at 650 for higher prices. Deep retracing to 650. Could see it, right? Also, look at gold, man. What is this, dude? It's like 100 points, 70 points on gold. It feels like we're ripping it back to December eras. Gold back above 5K. I've been DCing hard on gold. So that would just make me a happy camper. If we can just see this send higher, dude. This. At this point, you just slam one GC mini here and just let it rip. Let that baby just rip higher. Yeah, this is nice, dude. I'm very thoroughly impressed by this platform. Your love is what I come from. Gold's still rocketing. Learn it. The stocks for real at high stake trades. I didn't understand about the EQ logic, dude. Yeah, EQ. When a big range forms, always watch for a retrace into the 50% of the previous 4-hour or 1-hour candle, then trade it higher. You'll change your life forever. That's all I'm gonna say. I literally have nothing else to say other than that. You do that, you'll change your life forever. Simple. It's simple, really. Dude, gold every dude, this is nuts. Every leg on gold right now is just a rocketeer higher. Every bearish candle is just an immediate send higher. Look at this. Tap into this gap, immediately sends higher. Like, no hesitation. Formed a devil's wick at the low, though, so that's likely going to take out the low of that candle. Dude, what a market. What are the times where these are generational? I know somebody, by the way, I feel like our boy Nick Sloggett definitely grabbed these gold longs, by the way. I know his ass too well, and I know for a fact he took these gold longs. No hesitation. He was just a dog like that, man. What can I say? Wow. Impressive. Yeah. I'm liking this accumulation pre-9:30, though. There's the 9 o'clock open as well. And today, by the way, guys, we're going to have Alex joining me on the sesh. So those of you that like our sessions, you'll like this one because my Pooks is going to be on with me today, and I'm stoked about it. You guys know I love trading with my boy Alex, dog. I actually love that man. It's my fucking boy. Is the indicator TTs? Yeah, it's T-Trade's fractal model. It's the best indicator in the world. I'm like taken away by NinjaTrader, man. This is so gnarly. All right, look at this, dude. GC is just ripping and ripping and ripping. Like, we might get a 3-minute continuation on GC now too, which would just be electric. Oh, a 3-minute on GC, guys. I won't even lie. I would take a 3-minute on GC. GC, like, where's the next? Like, if this flips, oh my God, if that flips, dude, holy cow, man, you can't make it up. Hi, Leo. What's up, Beverly? How's it going? Wish I could share my setups, guys. I'm also gold longs on Nasdaq longs, all since Asia. Legend. Absolute legend, Beverly. Good stuff. Killing it. Your love is what I come from. Bum, 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 bum. Gold's just looking like where's that next 8 seconds on that? Yeah, we've already swept out a decent draw here, so I'm curious to know what's going to happen. Gold's accumulating as well. This is nice though. Accumulation pre-9:30 open means we could see accumulation of orders into a nice manipulation, trade a manipulation into higher or lower prices. So I'm pretty keen on this. I like this. I like this a decent chunk here. Alright, guys, we're also gonna have my boy hopping on here momentarily, the boy Alex. So stay tuned, guys. Like the stream if you haven't already. Show some love before my boy hops in. Start saying your hellos, dude. He'll be here in just a second. Momentarily, shit. There you go. Gold with a decent retrace here as well on the hourly. All right, we're gonna have my boy Alex hopping on here, guys. We could honestly take a C3 continuation here on the or C4 continuation on the 3 minute off this gold. But if we get too close to 930, I'm not gonna be interested in taking that. But gonna have my boy Alex here in just a second, guys. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. My singing buddy, my duo. How often you run? Not a how often you run, Jack? I run I mean depends, but on peak training, 5-6 days a week. Depends. Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, yo.
How's it
Good
going?
morning, everybody. Dude.
You seen this rocketeer on NASDAQ and gold? Peep gold right now, dude.
What the hell happened?
Dude, out of nowhere. 8:30 just rocketeered market. We had some news. I forgot what it was. Somebody typed it in chat, and it just sent it higher. Yeah, some tomfoolery, dude.
Good morning, everybody. I think we'll do some account giveaways today. We'll probably do like 2 50K TPT accounts as long as we get to 100 likes. So those are my conditions. It's up to you to get the accounts. But yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Trying to grab me some TPTs, dude, as we speak.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I haven't grabbed them yet. Cause, dude,
Yeah,
I just went on awe about. Have you checked the Ninja Trader mobile app, bro?
Yeah. What about it?
It's so clean. Maybe
Yeah, it's good.
maybe I'm overreacting. I just think it's fantastic. Anyways, just thought I'd say that. I was a fan.
Yeah, I've used it for a while. It's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Let's see. No, sir.
You're allowed up to 5 TPTs, eh?
Yeah, 5.
Quite solid, bro.
Is Alex gonna rap for us? What's up, Jack? Nate? Naya? Is Seek and Destroy when London sweeps Asia high and Asia low? I wouldn't say so. No.
Okay, and I'm just have to. I wish I could bundle buy them on TPT. I'm doing one at a time.
Oh yeah,
It's kind of annoying.
One at a time.
Slow and steady.
What's your read on the market today? Well, I'm not gonna fight whatever the daily's telling me, so closure above this 4 hour candle is high. That becomes an order block. We'll likely see a continuation into a premium market. So my draw, simply put, for today is just gonna be 29,886.
29,866.
Yeah.
Good.
Or
Good man.
880 with that, yeah. It just makes sense, you know?
Yeah, I like that as well.
Yeah.
Can't lie. I might be interested. I'm really tempted to grab these gold C4s. If we get closure above 4496. I know we're 20 minutes out the open, but like it looks pretty solid here. I can't even lie. Hourly, we still have this draw. I think we can totally wipe out the Wednesday, August 12th, 8 o'clock high, aka the Wednesday, August 12th highs here. So if we confirm this 3 minute, guys, I might get involved here. I like that we formed a 15-minute wick, not too large of a wick, and we're immediately seeing once we failed the inversion, an immediate 3 minute expansion higher, which for me is quite nice, to be honest with y'all.
Pumpkin flavor. Pumpkin flavor pie.
Real. Whatever this guy said, man. 674, 621.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday's open was okay. The open on Monday was also just okay. It's not like great. Give me something great, man. Thank you. Give me something good.
Give
me
me
something
something
worth-
great.
Yeah, give me something worth fighting for.
Morning, boys. Sup, London Lab? London Lab, weren't you London Signals before? Is that somebody else?
No, it's somebody else.
Oh.
London's actually our clipping guy.
Oh, sweet.
Uh,
I didn't realize that. Sorry. Pumpkin flavor. Is it possible to enter long for gold on this bounce? I'd be interested on this 3 minute here. If we can get this 3 minute confirmation, honestly, I don't see a world. I could just see gold continue this expansion higher. It's limited risk as well here, where I feel comfortable throwing on, like even, three micros even is going to be decent. It's 15-point stop, which is quite aggressive. But like we're already expanding. It's just flying past my my entry now. So I'd be quite happy, quite content to take a gold long here. I might actually consider filling on limits. Take a starter, let the rest run into the 930, and if we're up on this, I'll just move my stop to break even pre-open.
body dangerous, good maintenance. I see. Alex looks juiced. What does that even mean?
Hella juice, brah.
Come get some juice, bruh. You know what I did notice though? Like in the grouping of on Tradevate, on the TPT evals, like if you the next day, if you let me restart this fucking sentence. If you create a group today,
Yeah.
right? And then you add all the accounts into that group, and then you log in tomorrow, that
Yeah.
group, like it won't be connected. You have to
Reset
on
the
the-
group?
not reset, but click down on the drop down and then click on the group.
Ah, shit. Ooh, I
But
don't
that
like
only happens on the pros. It doesn't happen on the evals.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Huh.
Yeah, it's weird.
I don't know if I like that.
So
Fuck, bro.
just a heads up.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's good to know.
Yeah, make
I
sure
think
you're always grouped, bro.
Yeah, I know
Because-
that's what I mean. Every day before stream, that's what I do. I make sure I'm regrouped on everything. I literally resync. I resync if I have a bunch of fundeds on. I resync them because I already have them as groups. So I'll reconnect them. Oh my God, look at gold, bro. There goes my 3-minute continuation, guys. Fucking hell, bro. Just rocketed 14 points within 2 seconds. Look at that. Holy cow, chat. Well, no continuations here, but those were nice. You took it? Nice, Dev. Yeah. Y'all cheeky. You took it pre-closure, you cheeky motherfucker.
Cheeky ass motherfucker.
Dude, it just rammed my TP 1.5R. Oh, it was so clean too, guys. Oh, that one hurts. That one actually hurts a bit. That was going to be a personal trade as well. Damn it. We move on to the next, brother.
Move on to the next, brother. They expect one of us in the wreckage, brother.
Oh, 1.5R. Just slam a Rooney, dude. Can't make it up, man.
Dude, are they just gonna pump this out of here, or what's up?
Dude, it's crazy.
I kind of want to buy calls at the open.
It's tempting, right? Just see it send higher. I'm trying to get.
Yeah, I do want to buy calls at the open, low key.
Dude, what a mover here on gold, bro. What the fuck? 1 point. Well, congrats to whoever took those continuations. Dev, did you take it because I was talking about it, man? You dirty dog. Why did you enter? Why did you prefer 3-minute in case the 1 minute? Because 1 minute was outside of a candle framework. Look, there's no C1 through C4 on the 1 minute here, right? We're outside of that framework. 3-minute here, this was a C4 on the 3-minute, 30-minute. Hence why I was intrigued to take it. Dude, I should have taken I even thought about taking a starter there. I mean, that just sent. Like, you missed the 5-minute. All right. Oh, 5-minute continuation. Yeah, you're right. I did miss it. You're right. I was too keen on the 3-minute. Hey, so be it, dude. We move on to the next. No biggie. Can't do this anymore, man. Yeah, 5-minute was good. I actually wasn't paying attention to that. I don't know why Fractal's not loading here for me, but all right.
Zifractul.
Zifractal. Oh, dude, yeah, the 5-minute was also clean. Yeah, super clean. All right, well, it's chill. It's chill, man. I'm not sweating about it. It's okay, bro. I don't really care.
I'm not sweating about it.
No biggie. Dude, it does suck of it that it just shot up like 15, 17 points in like 2 seconds after that, but it's whatever. I'm liking this. I don't know why I'm actually really liking this NinjaTrader mobile app. Maybe I'm just being I'm not used to mobile. I just check on my positions on like Tradeovate, but I like how responsive it is.
You just can't group trade.
Yeah. No,
It's the
that
only
is.
thing on mobile,
Yeah.
which kind of sucks.
Can you not group trade even if you like even if you have it connected on TradeSync and you have a lead account?
I think you can.
Okay. But
But at
like
that
but
point,
like
it
you
would
meant
just
like
be-
Tradeovate groups kind of, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, congrats on taking those, Dev. IFEG, Leo, you missed 5-minute. Leo was glazing Anthony Crudelli. Yeah, no, I mean, I kind of was. I won't even lie. I can appreciate a good platform, dude. And for me, that just felt really nice.
$13 till the open.
Wow. Oh, there goes gold, man.
Rip.
RIP hasn't played out to 1.5 yet, but yeah, that 5-minute looked nice. I'm liking this micro range we're forming here, or this micro accumulation here on NQ since the 845. sweep one side of this range, it could really give us a decent leg. Oh, I'd like to see higher on NQ, but I was telling chat, Alex, so on the 4 hour here, look at that. Previous daily low and daily low swept with an SMT with YM and ES at the lows. Expansion candle. Now we see 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock expand. If 9:30 validates this 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. 4 hour, I'm just going to watch for a 10 a.m. deep retrace into the 0.5 and just trade a continuation higher on NQ into like the 4 hour gap, like 811s, even higher to potential 29,900s.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I think that'd be so crisp. Like it's gonna give me the same probabilities as hourly. That hourly short as well, so nice yesterday, dude. With Kane and Bray, I was like, dude, I need to take these, and I got filled at the 9:30.
Nice.
All right, let's hit this real quick. Chat, if you guys have any questions or stuff, let me know. I'm just doing some resyncing here. I have to do the Authenticator app, so let me know who's glazing the app though.
Alex, you glazed?
Huh?
Who's glazing? What's glazing? What's
This got me so confused, bro.
What's up, Dean? Dean
Yo,
Turner
Dean.
7962. Dean. Welcome to the party, Dean. You already know what it is, Dean.
Okay, got those two resynced. I need to get these Blue Guardians now. Sup, fellas? Sup, Dean? I love how you guys read my full name. Dean Turner, may as well give my address too. I'm looking for social security personally, but address will do too.
Well,
Dean, it's a nice name. I do like the name Dean Turner, by the way. I actually enjoy the name.
If it's a good name, like, why not?
Yeah.
Read it.
Like Jack Day Trades, that's kind of a terrible name, you know? So I'm not gonna say Jack Day. I'm joking, Jack. I had to give you some shit, Jack. All love, bro. All love, brother. I'm just messing with you. You'll make me blush. All right, 9 minutes to the open here, and Q's popping well off the EQ here. We might even get an EQ continuation on NQ on the 1 minute, which it'll be too close to the open for me to want to take this, but this 1 minute closure here will validate a continuation off the EQ, folks. Just letting you know. Closure confirmation, decent risk as well. I mean, it's 25 points for the chance to make 37 here pre-open. I'm almost tempted, but if we fail this closure, well, we're 9 minutes away. I'm not going to take this, but I'm just going to map this out because we had the precision swing point and a C2 down at those lows after we swept out the 845 low during the 9 o'clock open. So this is honestly not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby, bro.
I'm just going to buy calls.
Fair enough, dude. Don't even blame you, dog.
You open. Bro, that trading media posted really well.
The one you did?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Those have been nice, dog. I like those. Leo, is that your code word to say you're taking a trade? Nah, Alex, I'm not taking this one. This one's genuinely too close to the open.
Bro, take it. Let's take
Nah,
it together.
dude, I mean, now it's playing out. I'm like, oh fuck, dude, it's gonna play out fully 37 points. Shit, shit, bro. Nah, Alex, you'll know once you're around the streams for long enough, you'll figure it out. You gotta use code lab dev. Code lab if you want any deals on Apex, bro. That's the best deals you're gonna get is code lab. Entry didn't get filled, wanted a very similar trade. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, we have a PSP precision swing point. Naz is leading that PSP as well, or as lagging that PSP. ES is leading. Likely gonna make right into that 853 high, relatively quick as well. So it's pretty solid. But I'm not in on that. Yeah, code lab. You gotta use code lab. That's the hot shit, man.
FIFA Street on the PSP. What about it? And some of you guys like just commenting random stuff. No context. What about it?
FIFA Street on the PSP. Tips to increasing accuracy selection. Find the time frame with the cleanest picture. Find a high is wait, let me actually read that. Tips to increasing accuracy selection for trades. Create a higher time frame bias. Literally just change time frames until you find a time frame that gives you the cleanest picture. Like you guys saw there, 1 minute was shit, 3 minute was super clean on gold, but I did miss the 5 minute. 5 minute gave the entry before 3 minutes, so I should have taken that 5 minute entry. But 3 minute was also very clean. I should have taken a market order entry there, right? 1 minute on the other hand, outside of the C1 to the C4 framework, I'm not interested in taking that. So the secret sauce is just literally select time frame that looks to be the most presentable and trade it once it aligns with your.
I'll take this.
Order filled.
Oh, I heard that one.
Yeah.
That OB. Nice, dude.
My fill is actually better than what I have here, 34s. I'm willing to take this risk. But I am just letting you know it is on evals. But I don't think I would take this on a live account. I'll say that much. I don't think I would take this on a live account. I don't think I would risk this on a live account. But shit, on some evals. Say less.
Say less. Say less. Shit, say less. Dude.
I gotta get these done quick, my boy.
So you said eval? So you said eval trade, bro? What you talking about, bro? Dude. Sean goes, shit, just full ported the pension. Like Les said, wait for 9:30. I wouldn't go near it this time. Hey, dog, life is life, baby. You know, sometimes you take risks, no risk, no rowry. You know, it's part of it.
No risk, no robbery, 100%. Let me put my stop down.
Order working.
I wonder who did the voice. I want to meet that guy. We should bring him on stream and be like, yo, how does it feel to be everyone's nightmare voice?
Yeah, right. Order filled. Hold a fill. Oh, gold here
Stop
tanking.
filled.
Stop filled. Oh, that's actually fire. Desi posted a sick ass reel that was life after switching to night trading and trading gas stations, and it's like just a LARPy one. It's actually fire. Yeah, Alex, you'll know Alex Piamouse or Piamus. You will know when I'm in a trade, dude. Pimus. You'll know when I'm in a trade, boss. Not this too close to the open. I don't like trading this close to the open. Personally. I should fire. 9:30 open in 1 minute. 1 minute, shit. 1 minute to the 9:30 open right now, so we're gonna wait.
So they'll just
Where
run
was the
through
guy
my
that told you to
shit.
let him know when you're out so he can get out too? Yeah, dude, he disappeared. I think I wasn't giving him enough signals. He hopped onto the LARPers.
By the way, boys, if we get to 100 likes, we will be doing a giveaway. So just letting everybody know.
Hold here for
100
me.
likes.
100. He said
Lab is
he
on
fed.
TikTok too. No, brother, we don't use TikTok actually. 100 likes.
100 of them. 100% reason to remember my name. 5% will. 50% pain.
50% power.
50%
Power. Oh, boys.
New York Open here in about 10 seconds.
Not looking bueno. Save me. Save me.
Save me. Oh, brother.
We're gonna get
9:30 open and bound.
No way. Save me. Please.
I'm just peeping the Ninja Trader mobile app while I just kind of look at this right now. It's insane how quick and responsive it is, dog. I just gotta give it to him, bro. She's hella nice.
Life happens. Life happened.
Order cancelled.
Life happened. It's okay, boys. Is it cold where you are? No, bro. It's just fucking cold in this room.
Real. Wow, big aggression here at the 9:30. I honestly think we're gonna retap the 7-hour gap and redistribute higher though. We're tapping back into the massive 7-hour gap that we kind of inversed here on smaller time frames. So I think we're just gonna still see higher. It's gonna be hard for me to frame lower here, especially tapping that 7-hour gap. Watch and learn, young Padawans.
You do have a 15-second OB. Just letting everybody know. Just thought I'd let everybody know.
Nice, thanks, brother. Appreciate you, Doug. That's our goat.
Got you guys. Oh shit.
There you go. Bounce off the 7-hour gap here. That's what I'm looking for. Gold, by the way, popped. A 1.5R just got slammed at the open here, or nearly. Holy cow, off the 5-minute. Yeah, not anything for me here, guys. As I told you guys know my game plan here. 10 o'clock for me is going to present a much better opportunity to look for a potential trade here, but I am watching still on NQ. See if there's anything we can potentially framework.
Framework some longs. How about that? I'm in calls here. Just targeting the external high.
Oh, this bounce off the 7-hour gap is nice, dude. Head of fresh. Oh, I like this. Off that 7-hour gap, dude. As I told you guys, that's a fake out on shorts there. We tap back into a 7-hour gap. I'm looking for a redistribution higher here. We got big 4-hour gaps, some nice draws at the highs. That's all I'm looking for right now. So I'm gonna watch to see us get above 746 here. If it means waiting for 945 for a continuation, I'm waiting for 945 for a continuation. No hesitation. Whoa, I accidentally split screen my Zoom. Hold up. Not what we meant to do, chat. Yep, there we go. Nice distribution higher here. Big NQ, dude. Big NQ making a move here. Move of the century. Looks like we're going to get that. We might get that change in state of delivery confirmation here, which would be sweet after that 7-hour gap as well. Aim for that. Yeah, these longs. And we have massive SMT on higher time frame here as well. Off the 930. That's SMT at the lows of the YM. All right, now we wait, guys. Not much else to it, but we wait. Oh, gold is rocketeering, bro. Okay, I gotta fade that. Get that out of my brain.
Get that out of my brain, son.
Get that shit in my brain.
I love brains.
TP at 650 to 740. GG. Thanks, Alex. And of course, Justin.
I love brains.
I love brains. Send me your location and focus on.
That song, I used to listen to that song all the time in high school, bro.
It's a good one, dog.
Yeah, it's a good one. It is a good one.
Clean trade by the Justin. 90 points. Well, fading them Johns right there. Jeez Louise, man. We wait now. I don't need nothing else but you. Send your location and focus on communicating.
No drawdown and run up trade. I closed my calls actually. I was trying to scalp that shit, but on the Robinhood platform, like
it's hard to do that,
bro. With because you can't do limit orders on options before 9:35.
Oh yeah, it's so stupid.
I mean, market orders
before market
fucked.
open. I know that's
fucked.
really. It always takes me off of that. That's why it's like like Weeble's decent. I mean, with the obviously it's a market open, but I like Weeble with the instant how you could change the dashboard and stuff now as well to have like instant fills. I can't lie, guys. I'm not looking to short against these failures at all here.
Fuck,
I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan of looking for shorts here. It's gonna be super hard for me to frame this right now because I really don't like this. We got massive SMT right now with YM as well. I think it's hard for me. I think wait for 945 for me for some clear direction is gonna be the game plan.
I think I go for some longs here.
Like these are I like those better than shorts, that's for sure.
Order filled. Order working.
I'm filled at the 74s. If I get stopped, I get stopped. It is what it is. I'm in for one micro. And then that'll be my... Oh my God. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, that's the two longs for me. I'm still green on the day, boys on the evals, but
Jason Bourne.
yeah, that's me. That's me. I
That's
made
only
like $500 on options. I'm okay. Hey, you never want to trade away from failure swings? I never want to trade away from you.
Damn.
I happens MVP. I still like longs. Don't get me wrong. I still like longs.
I do too, dude. We're in a 7-hour gap right now. I think I'm just gonna have to be patient for 945 here. That's literally it. Nothing frames right now. No trade. If I have to, guys, you guys know my game plan for 10 a.m. I told you guys my game plan. If we see a decent hourly, a 4-hour closure here, 10 a.m. continuations higher, I'm a fan. If I'm not gonna get that, then c'est la vie, baby. You know, that's life. That's life.
That RTH gap, baby. Yeah, boys. I mean, that's how quick those 15-second scalps are. So hopefully you get an idea.
Baby, send me your location and focus on communicating. What that silly business with GC right now? What we doing? What we doing, GC? Wow, big reject for the 1.5 on GC. Yes, YM 5 minute as well. Do have some active 5 minute SMT between NQ and YM right now, but we're just kind of pummeling through that SMT. It's tough for me, guys. RTH gap getting filled, very nice. Short for 29,494. That was 50 minute, very nice MVP. Patience on me for this one.
W patience.
Represent. I have to.
If I gots to, I gots to.
I said what I said because I said it. Damn.
Jesus.
Yeah, I can't lie, guys. There's just no involvement from here. There's nothing. There's literally no sauce
I
on
got
Kizzy.
bamboozled.
No sauce for me, guys. We still have massive SMT here with YM. NQ's looking to chase that. Chase that SMT that's active with YM at these lows. So if this just becomes a short sell, then I mean I've got no involvement here. Told you guys my game plan that if we saw the 4-hour flip to indecision or bearish, then I'm likely to just fade it entirely. Oh hell yeah! One of you just texted me on Instagram that you took that entire gold. Damn! One of you took those gold continuations. 40 points. You guys got it on my original talk pre 9 o'clock. You're a dog. Whoever you are, you're a dog. Why do you use YM and not ES? I use both YM and ES. Both YM and ES. Because YM is for me one of the assets that I trade and I use for divergences. There's not much else to it, brother. We do have a 1 minute SMT there as well. God, I can't short it. I can't short from that, dude.
Yeah, same.
I just can't. It's just not doing it for me, guys. Wow. Well, who let the dogs out, dude? You tell me. You tell me, fam.
I think I might buy some calls here again.
It's not bad, dude.
Yeah.
It's really not bad.
But I really just need to see a strong, like, 1 minute confirmation. I think that'd be sick.
Yeah, dude, I don't know. 945 VWAP bounce. Yeah, I mean we could bounce off the VWAP. It's quite irrelevant if market's just gonna send lower. Yeah, I see that as well. I see that on the. Back to school.
Jesus.
Well, dude, this is tough looks from here, chat. We have another continuation forming here on the 1 minute, but it's like, I can't find involvement in this. I really can't. Just being honest with you guys. Even, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, no.
Okay. 4 hour. I think it makes sense here actually.
I've seen
I'll
somewhat
be
higher
frank.
prices.
Made in Tokyo.
There, guys. No cigars from me here, man. Wait for 9:45. That's my juice today. That's it, man. Back to school.
The thing is that 10 a.m. candle.
I know.
Hi,
I'm not
Bella.
gonna not gonna like this hourly closure too. If we just close indecisive
Hello,
throughout the
Bella.
sell side, I'm not gonna like that.
Sell side.
We have sad.
You do have the 3 minute. This looks good, man.
This is decent here. I like this sweep a little better than before, but I'm likely just still waiting for
Yeah.
9:45. See if it's gonna be a true expansion.
That's the tough part.
Mm-hmm. Now we must wait, young Padawan. There's a 9:45 open here, guys. Navi wait. Navi was wait. 9:45 will either validate an expansion here or we're gonna see an invalidation of it and no trade for me until 10. That's it. That's really, really it. What's up, Bella, by the way? Howdy, Bella. Sorry. Apologies. I'm locking in here. Hi. How's it going, Bella?
Locked in.
Hope we're doing well. I still haven't got my BGs connected on the funded, so I'm saving time right now though while I wait for market to restabilize. I'm trying to get the
It's
authenticator.
locked in.
Authenticator's not loading, so I'm trying to see what's happening with my Google Authenticator. Two-step authentication. Yeah, 9:45 could also very well invalidate the continuation here because we are tapping into this C3 EQ. So patience. Back to school. There you can look for longs. Here you go. Now we need 100 likes on stream, man. We have 66 guys. There's gonna be some giveaways here once we hit the
There's
stream to 100
170
likes.
of us in here.
170. I know for a fact 34 more of us can like the stream, by the way. 34 more of you can like the stream. Also, this is what I was worried about. See, we're tapping the EQ, respecting
Yeah.
it. So it's going to be likely failed expansion here unless we can get aggressively above that EQ, see a strong closure. So that, for me, might even just present... Because if this 4-hour closes indecisive, I can't trade a candle. I can't trade a continuation here on the next 4-hour open. So it'll likely just be fading the session, which I'm okay with. I mean, I have my trade from London session, so I'm still green on the day. I mean, it wouldn't be an insane day for me, but I'd rather just have no involvement here than to force something that I'm not interested in.
I did like no trades for me yet. Still waiting. Fair. Yeah, boys, if you want that giveaway, 100 likes is what it takes.
Yep. Come on now, smash the like button. I did like, no trades from me yet. Waiting still. Hey, Beverly, I think that's very solid. Keep waiting. Protecting the capital. 81 right off the bat. 19 more of you here. Come on now. We have 170 of us in the stream. Got hella heads in here, dog. Come on now.
Hella heads.
Hella heads. Hella heads in this. Hella heads in this, fool. Yes, you're
I
even.
wonder
Yeah,
if we
this is.
tap into that 6 a.m. open.
Holy shit, dude. What was that?
Well, there's 6 a.m. open. I have no idea what that was.
No, this
but
1 minute just raw. I was literally just looking at mobile
uh,
for fun, just rocketeered lower out of nowhere. Back to school. Ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, boom. Wow. Okay. Well, likely
that's
gonna be.
it's
I can't lie,
cooked.
guys. I think this is likely just gonna be no session trades
Cooked.
for me. Yeah. I'm gonna walk away with my win from London session there. Take my micros to 76, and that's it for me, guys. I mean, I got no reason for involvement here. Clearly, sell side is a lot more aggressive here. We're about to form a continuation on NQ as well. This is gonna be a C4 continuation, by the way. Also, does anybody know what that aggression was? What led to that aggression there? Because that was definitely, I think, news-based or something, because that was way too aggressive. Someone got slipped, 100%. Somebody had a 500 micro order or a 500 mini order accidentally got slipped. Whoops. Whoopsies.
Whoopsies.
Rip.
You.
Yoo-hoo.
Okay. Now run it back up.
Yeah, right. Now give me profits, Nasdaq. Now give me
Now,
profits.
now run this shit back up.
I'm tired of
Son.
waiting. I'm tired, Grandpa.
No, I'm just kidding.
Like continuations here, they're in play. They're in play. We see a continuation.
Jesus.
ES form to continue. Actually, the ES continuation wasn't too shabby there, but I'm just that it goes against kind of what my intention was for today. So
Yeah, same.
nothing for me
Same.
here, man. Yeah,
I was really looking for at least premium.
yeah, but nothing. And that looks like we're gonna
Premium
get
of
a
the
pretty
market.
bad 10 a.m. open as well. So
Seemed hella good.
Sean, Iran's
The
parliament
premium.
speaker, resistance is the only path to victory, and if you're not prepared for war, negotiate. Okay, that's exactly this,
Oh,
dude. It's always
please.
Iran news, bro.
It's so fuck. I'm so over that shit.
Dude,
Man.
I know. Like, I'm just becoming so desensitized. Somebody's
It's
gonna start
whatever.
telling me World War III is starting, and I'll be like, all right, shorts on NQ. Like, I hate to say it, but I'm so desensitized to news nowadays.
Negotiations are fucking silly.
Yeah, silly business, dog. Don't like them.
Ooh, but here's the play.
But wait a minute, guys. Let me put
What
you on
if-
film here real quick.
What if it's making the open to low on the 4 hour C3?
Okay,
I'm telling you.
I'm listening. My ears are peeled, bro.
And it's gonna play off this 15-minute OB, bro.
Is
Listen, boys.
my demon cooking right now, bro? My boy cooking?
Clearly not.
It's just fucking sending lower now, dude. So
Clearly
shit.
not.
Like, look at this aggression here on the 1 minute. I just don't want to trade that, man. It goes against my bias for the day.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy
Save
strong.
my mental
It
capital,
is crazy
chat.
strong.
Yeah,
Yeah, we didn't even have an hourly sweep.
Also,
15
such a shit 9:30 open. You see how
There
indecisive
wasn't
the
a
9:30 was?
15-minute. No 15-minute, no hourly sweep on ES or NQ. Like, I don't know. I just couldn't frame. Couldn't frame
Yeah.
shorts.
It's tough. It's tough love here from the Nasdaq chat.
Tough business.
Tough biz with the Nas. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, see if anything, but out of anything, I think I'm likely just gonna have to watch to see they'll join the army to get
business.
real-time short signals. Yeah, right. At this point, guys, I'm going to the straight for you guys. Short, we got a missile. Short. That'd be crazy. Oh my god.
Making banana pancakes. 7 likes left, by the way, for the giveaway. Just letting everybody know.
Nice.
Oh
Bless
my
you.
God. Thank you.
I got nothing here, guys. I'm just being honest. I have actually nothing here right now for me. Not a lot for me to trade here. It's not really anything of value. We're just seeing it send lower. Like all I'm gonna watch for is just to see if we get some type of reversal sequence form. And once we do, then I will trade a continuation. But if we're not gonna get it, I'm not gonna trade it. It's really that simple. No reversal, no manipulation to an expansion of the opposing side. No continuation, no trade. All right. So 10 o'clock is likely gonna be the scout here for me personally. But I won't lie. I like this a little more. I like this. We finally saw some okay buy side aggression here on the 1 minute. This 1 minute closure here could yield the start of a C2, guys. And ES is also following the divergence. Or we have some correlation here. I like this a little more.
Dreaming.
What's up, RC? By the way, I'm done leaving green. Peace. Yeah, dude. Don't leave green, man. You got no reason to be. You should have left the stream by the time you took that first trade, Justin. Or not left the stream, but at least closed the charts and come hang out with us, brah.
Come hang out with us, brah. Dude, YOLO calls here.
I did just confirm the Sisty, dude. Like I ain't gonna say nothing, but I'm gonna say something. Doesn't look too shabby. I like this first signature. It's a potential bullish C2 now. This is fine. I like this better.
This is absolutely fine.
This is definitely okay for a potential trade chat. We want to make sure the market is going to be presentable for Alex and me.
Okay, we're gonna have one of our mods here run the
We hit 100 likes
here soon. If we get to 100 likes, unfortunately, we're not there yet. So I guess you guys just don't want the free accounts.
How many do we have in here? We have 155 of us. Come on now, chat. Come on
so
now.
I guess
It's
okay.
Quit the silly business.
Good to see we business.
We got no reason for this silly business shit.
Hey guys, any trades yet? Yeah, 2 L's. 2 big fat L's. Making banana pancakes.
Okay, off the OB here. Massive expansion off the OB. Let's see what happens here. I'm watching the 1 minute closely. I want to see if we can see this expansion because this could yield a 10 o'clock continuation here. If we can see some decent buy side increase, we could form an imbalance. I could trade an imbalance for a continuation off 10 o'clock. That wouldn't be too shabby. But if we don't see that, I think we're going to see a continuation of lower prices here and likely just fade the day.
No, stop. Commit to it. Commit to it, brother.
Me?
Commit to it. Yes, let's long this. Come on.
Off the OB here was kind of tempting. I ain't gonna lie, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of tempting, bro.
It looks good, bro. This is going back all the way to the high.
Don't say that, dude. All right, guys. Net worth is going in on this one. 15 minis. Yeah, this was a dirty open. I still like higher too. Alex and I have been on this wave, dude. We want higher prices, bro. He's like the devil in my right ear right now. Long. What are you doing? Long.
Overnight session range low. 15-minute low taken. 1 minute OB. Alex doing that professional chasing. You already know, bro. You already know. That's what I do.
Back into the OB here on the 1 minute.
What are we at?
Likely just gonna wait until 10, dude. I got no sauce here, chat. I'm sorry. I got no sauce. I'm preserving.
I'm sauceless.
Sauceless on the AM session today, chat.
Ah,
That's
boys.
okay though.
721 calls on QQQ are 37 cents right now. $100 likes.
Did we hit
it would appear so. Well, okay.
Dude, I can't lie. I think I'm hopping off personally here, dude. I got
You're
nothing.
hopping off?
I got nothing. Yeah. I'll let you run these giveaways, but I got nothing right now, dude.
I kind of want to run one where I say a sentence, but that would be kind of unfair. The first person to type it, yeah, that'd be unfair. Because I feel like some people have faster internet. Yeah.
Look at him, chat. Trying to be fair for the crew. Community figure.
Always.
Always.
What else?
Yeah, I'm gonna hop off myself here, guys. You guys know what I'm looking for. I want to see this continue to expand and then potentially trade a 10 a.m. continuation higher. I still like the idea for longs, but if market's not presenting an opportunity right now, I'm gonna take 5-10 minutes off the charts here, reset, come back, and see if something forms. So I've got my alerts in right now as well. So we'll see what happens, guys. But I'm off. Alex, good luck with the giveaways. Make sure you guys stay in. Alex will be here for the next hour as well. Stay tuned, like the stream, subscribe. Let's get us to 6K now. 10K is the next major goal here with the Lab Live, and I'll see you guys. Mignon. I'll be on for AM session yet again tomorrow. So I'll see you guys very soon.
Brother.
Later, boss man. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
See you, chat.
Okay. How do we do this? Just spin it. You guys are no fun. You know that? You guys are no fun. Oh, MC. Let me see something. Channel activity. Oh, MC has been here. Okay. Take the names of the people who like the stream. Ask ChatGPT. Math equations. Manipulate decorations. Control C. Controls. Fuse and Mac. Okay. Here's how this is going to work. We'll get this run up. Give me 1 second, boys. I'm setting it up. Making banana pancakes. It's too late to go outside. Do 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 do. Okay, so we're gonna do two. Actually, I'm not gonna just do one. We're gonna do two today. We're gonna do two accounts. It's gonna be 50K TPT evals. Two 50K TPT evals, and with the new rules and the new changes, etc., etc. As a matter of fact. Yeah, fuck it. Okay. Wait, can we cut down the timer on this? No, nothing. Don't worry. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to just use the prop from compare giveaway link. So what I'm going to do is we're going to drop it in the chat. I'm going to drop it in the chat. All you guys have to do is head over there and then just put your YouTube username in, and that's it. Yeah. All you have to do is put your YouTube username, and then yeah. So give me 1 second. We're just setting it up. You guys will have 5 minutes, okay? So the link, Trader Drace, he's one of our moderators. Go ahead and go there. Click on that link. The keyword is LabTPT, LABTPT. So all you have to do is put your username in the link, and then in chat, in the YouTube chat, just type LabTPT. Yeah. And then what I'll do is production, can you pin, or actually, here, I'll do this. Don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and pin the message to the link so you guys don't miss it. So here is the link, boys. Okay, so it should be the new message pinned. Yeah. So again, head over to that link. It's in the pinned message. Put your YouTube username down, and then do LabTPT in chat. And so it is going to be 2 50K TPT test accounts. So there will be 2 winners. Again, link is the pinned message. Yeah, if yours is already pre-filled, it means you've already done a giveaway before. So you're chilling. And you have to, the keyword is only once. If you've already put it, you don't have to put it again. Don't worry. The more keywords you put, that it doesn't like benefit you in any way. What do you mean? Why? What does it say, Slayer? We've got about 4 minutes and 40 seconds before the giveaway is. Wait, what if someone not in the stream wins? Well, they wouldn't really know about it. We only activated it here, so. Plus, I will be calling the person on stream. If I call on you, if you win and I call on you and you're not responding in chat, we will rerun this shit. There's no point in having somebody win that's not in the stream. So again, keyword is LabTPT. Again, you only need to place it once. Making banana pancakes. It's asking for my social security number. You're funny. Lab TPT, boys. Okay, how long we got on this? Okay, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm gonna have to go. Why can I not read? I'm gonna have a little go at the long. Okay, good luck, brother. Can't fucking read today. Please, God, let me. How much time left? 2 minutes, 30 seconds. You can see the timer on the site if you just click the link. Slayer, you just have to type it in chat. So just type LABTPT in all caps. Not easy to do this while driving. I don't recommend you do this while driving. I can't tell if all 100 of you already put lab TPT. It seems like everyone fucking did. How much we got left? Thanks, bro. 50 seconds. I didn't so others have more chance to win. Oh, damn. Shout out Nico. Shout out Nico, man. By the way, if I call on you and you're not in stream, or if there's a winner and I call on this person and they don't claim it and they're not in stream within 2 minutes, I'm just going to re-roll this shit and somebody else is going to get it. I'm not going to have people just join the giveaway and then leave. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Drawing up the winners. Okay, the winners are Big C 3719 and Raymond Hardog Raymond Big C 3719 if you're here, and Raymond. Congratulations, boys. Let me check something actually. Why is my... Okay, perfect. Yeah, I do recognize Raymond, and I actually do recognize Big C. So big congrats. Just letting you guys know, actually. Tomorrow we will be doing 3, and Friday we will be doing 3 more. So just letting you guys know, it's not over. We've got a couple more accounts tomorrow in the morning with Kane. We will be giving away 3 more, and on Friday we will also be giving away 3 more. So just letting you guys know. So Drace, these are a little bit different. We just need to make sure that we have their emails. Um, Alex, we met at the Ninja Trader event. I was talking about 5-second structure. Fuck. You'll stream afternoon? Yeah, I'll be on in the afternoon, brother. Okay, boys. So Raymond and Frostboy, you guys will give us like 24 hours ish. You guys will receive your TPT accounts within that time span. Five-second structure sounds insane. I've seen it before. Yeah, I do love a good 5-second structure. It's clean sometimes. Can be good when looking for rejection off 1 minute. Yeah, for sure. For sure. But yeah, congratulations. Sorry to those that were not able to win, but there will be like 17 other opportunities actually. So, fun fact. What platform you like best for trading? I mean, dude, I'm so used to Ninja Trader, honestly. Can I get a participation award? Well, go to the gym. Yeah. Can I get a participation award then? Sure. Let me think of something. See a scope. The conditions will be the same, boys. Tomorrow, 100 likes minimum has to be there. Dr. Wakenstein. Wakenstein? Baby. It's too late to go outside. One payout and pass 2 evals. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah, brother. That's what's up. Can you analyze NQ right now? Sure. I'd say try and play off that order block, to be honest. One second. Don't go anywhere. Give me the analysis, buddy. Okay. Relax. I say higher. That's the analysis. You like that analysis? He immediately rejects slower. Yeah, the strength to the downside here is a bit crazy, boys. I'm not going to lie to you. I guess you do have kind of like a 5-minute swing here to the downside. Grace, you twin for real. Y'all twinning over here. That would be gangster. Yeah, the ask is just so fucking heavy right now. Won't even lie to you boys. That shit just looks fucking heavy. ES looks a lot stronger here, actually. But yeah. I don't know. Yeah, that gold shit is crazy. Oh fuck. Just got a crazy cramp on my leg. Dude, I've been drinking water like crazy. I'm gonna join some calls here. I think this looks pretty good. I don't know what's wrong with my Robinhood screen though. It's fucking glitchy as shit. Well, the model's here, so time to let this shit fly. Let it fly, let it fly. I am in this, yes. Yeah, I am in this. I'm in 721 calls, high risk. What's the message? This shit hit. I think there's a good opportunity here to get back into the highs as long as the 10 a.m. hourly candle makes a swing and doesn't reject off that 15-minute internal range. Took one off, nice. That's my only issue is like 10 a.m. needs to make the swing. 25 or yeah, 25 about 25 minutes left till 11 a.m. So there is a good amount of time, but I do would love to see an expansion here by the 10 a.m. candle. I think it's looking good if ES closes above the 30-second OR. Yeah, same. There's the 15-minute internal. It really needs to get above this. The thing I like about ES is that we do have a 30-minute. Hourly looks good and primed. So 15-minute looks good. We might get a 15-minute OB here. So I'm just looking for a continuation. How much delay for the stream? I mean, it's like 3 seconds, to be honest. Take this shit back to the high. Yeah, I'm in these boys. I'm actually in 0 DTE calls. So I'm in zero DTE calls, about 20 of them. I can put them up on screen if you want. These are the 721 calls. Average price is about 21 cents. It's at 37 cents. I took half of my position off here actually. So I'm just gonna let the rest of this thing ride. Beautiful trade here, boys and girls. Boys and girls. What do you think about moving stop loss to entry on your usual trading? What do you mean? Stop loss to entry? Of course. Yeah, I do that all the time. So we've got about 20 minutes here until 11 a.m. open. So I'm hoping we see a continuation here. YM needs to chill and NQ goes. The only thing that might worry me is that there. That divergence with the ES might be an issue. Who, YM? Or see, now we're tapping into premium market here on NQ. So this is kind of the area where I would expect some rejection. Yeah, I'm out. Fair. Tapped your aggressive trail. Hey, man, it happens. Good trade. Great trade. Relax my eyes, it's a flashing light, turn on alone. Relax your eyes, it's a flashing light, turn all alone. Dun, 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 dun. $10.45. Boys, I think I'm gonna just call it here. It's not much. I mean, we can watch this trade pan out, but I think it'll hit. If it does hit, it'll probably be at like 11:30. I'll be honest with you. Relax my eyes, it's a flashing light, on and not alone. That's if it does hit, you know. I took off 75% of my position at premium. I'm just kind of letting the rest of it kind of go. Not a lot of risk here. If it does hit though, it would be the rest of the position is roughly worth $220 at the entry. See eval. So that means that if it does hit, it'll probably be a 10x. So it'd be a nice 2K if it does hit. So we'll see. All right, boys. I appreciate all of you. Thanks for stopping by. Good luck if you're in a trade. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Drop a like. Be sure to stop by tomorrow. I will be on for the PM session at 2 p.m. tomorrow in the morning as well. Giveaway tomorrow in the morning. Get to 100 likes. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace, everybody.